Hey guys, welcome to Veganuary day 14.
Woo!
Alright, have you made it this far?
2 weeks in.
I'm proud of you guys. Let's talk about weight loss today. It's a little touchy subject. People don't like to talk about it, but I've got some tips for you if you came to veganism to lose weight. First of all, I hope you lost some weight. It's probably likely that you did, coming from a standard American diet to the vegan lifestyle, that you've lost a little bit because it's new. You're probably eating things that you're not used to eating. You're probably not eating as much as you've been used to eating. So it's a plus, right? If you want to lose weight and you've lost it, congratulations. I've got 5 tips for vegan weight loss. I lost 24 pounds in the last 6 months using these tips, and I hope that they'll help you out as well. My number 1 tip for weight loss is drink water. Stop drinking soda. Guys, if you're drinking soda, what are you doing?
Drinking soda.
It's like drinking liquid calories that are doing nothing for you. It's robbing your body of like nutrients just to process the processed sugar. So number 1, drink more water, drink less soda. Even if you don't give it up completely, drink less. Just a little bit less. Start with 1 cup a day less than you are used to drinking, and every day try and give up a little bit more. Same thing with juices. A lot of people think that processed juices like orange juice are really good for you. It's just liquid sugar, and you're taking all of the fiber out of the juice, so it's not digesting slowly. It's digesting very quickly, and it's giving you a sugar spike. So water, seltzer, tea without
Seltzer
sugar.
is wonderful.
Seltzer is a wonderful substitute for soda. You get used to it really quickly, trust me. I was on the diet soda bandwagon for a long time. I finally gave it up about, 3 years ago? 4 years ago?
At least.
And I haven't looked back since. I don't miss it at all. My number 2 tip is stop eating junk food. Even vegan junk food is no good for you. It's full of processed chemicals and empty calories and oil and processed sugars. Eat more whole foods. If you want to really feel full, eat a big salad. That is volumetrics.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Okay. There's a common misconception that just because something is vegan, that means it's healthy, but it's not always. There's tons of vegan junk food, so make sure you're looking at your ingredients before you actually eat it.
Very, very good point. Read your ingredients, read your labels, see what you're actually eating. If there's things on there that you can't pronounce, chances are they're not really that good for you, and they probably are going to do you more harm than good. So stop eating the junk food. Eat the whole foods. Whole food plants, grains. Eat clean. Number 3 tip for weight loss. Move! Get up out of that chair. Even if it's something as small as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or the escalator. I know that is so cliche, but little drips add up to a huge ocean. Trust me. Even if you start small, take a 10-minute walk every other day. Increase it to every day. Make it a half an hour walk down the road. You will be so pleased with the change in your fitness, in your energy level. It makes a huge difference. It's good for so many things just besides fitness. It's good for your mind as well. So just move a little bit and don't do exercise that you hate. Don't feel like you have to go and become a jogger if you hate jogging. Find something that you like to do that gets your heart pumping and do it. That's all you have to do. Just move. I usually go for bike rides in the summertime and the warmer weather, but now that it's been awfully cold outside, I don't really like the indoor bike that much. So I will go up and down the stairs a million times a day. I will only bring up 5 or so little things from the basement, like laundry, and bring down 5 just so that I have to make a zillion trips to go up and down the stairs so I get my blood pumping. I enjoy doing that rather than just sitting on a bike, even with an iPad in front of me. I just prefer being outside in the fresh air, so when I can't do that, I'm up and down those stairs a million times a day.
The biking's really been a game changer for you, though.
It has been a real big game changer for me. I noticed in all aspects of my life, more energy, more clarity, just an overall feeling of more well-being. Get more sleep. Get the TVs out of the bedroom. Don't look at your phone right before you go to sleep. That is so bad for falling asleep. That light in your brain, it messes with your melatonin. Unplug your bedroom and get at least 8 hours of sleep a night. You will be more refreshed in the morning. Get quality sleep. Don't have the room at an uncomfortable temperature that you're tossing and turning all night, waking up during the night. You really shouldn't eat or drink a while before you go to bed at night.
I think it's like an hour and a half.
Yeah, you don't want to be getting up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. That really puts a damper, no pun intended,
Ew!
on your night's rest, because it's very disruptive. So get a solid 8 hours of sleep every night. All right, the last tip, consider trying intermittent fasting. This is something that is so hot right now. They have so much research saying that this is so good for you for many, many reasons, but don't take my word for it. Do your own research. Don't start any lifestyle change without consulting a physician. I'm not a physician. I don't know your situation, whether you have high blood pressure or diabetes or anything like that. Consult with your doctor first before you make any changes in your lifestyle. But consider intermittent fasting. I lost 24 pounds in 6 months just by not eating in the mornings. I follow the 16-8 style of intermittent fasting. I will fast, which means not eating anything with calories, except for coffee with a little bit of almond milk, for 16 hours, and then for 8 hours I eat whatever I want. Within reason. I use intuitive eating. If I'm full, I'm not going to eat just because I'm allowed to eat. I'm going to eat until I'm full in my 8-hour period of eating. There's also a 5-2 program, which is a little bit different. You eat whatever you want for 5 days, and then 2 days you're restricted to 500 calories a day. It sounds difficult, but it's really not. You really have to try it to see what it's all about. My last tip is not really a tip for losing weight. It's a tip for keeping the weight off. Don't treat this as a diet. Treat it as a lifestyle change. If you just go on a diet and then you go back to your old ways afterwards, you're going to put the weight back on because you went back and did what you did wrong in the beginning. So in order to maintain your weight loss, you have to stick with the plan, survivor. You got to stick with the plan, and maybe you can loosen up on the restrictions. Like if you're doing the intermittent fasting 16-8, don't do it every day of the week. Only do it 3 or 4 days a week to maintain your weight. And if you see that you're putting a pound or 2 on, go back to 7 days a week or go back to 5 days a week. So the main part is don't treat it as a diet, treat it as a lifestyle. And that's all I've got. I hope this helps you. I hope you're enjoying Veganuary. I hope you're losing all the weight that you would like to lose. Don't lose it too fast though, because the best way to lose weight is to lose it slowly and by eating just under the amount of calories that you need so that you're not ravenous. Good luck, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of video. Stick around for the rest of Veganuary. And until next time, much love.